Hello everyone, today I'll be making my version of the keto and low carb gluten-free cloud bread. So straight into the ingredients, here I have 1 cup of room temperature egg whites and place into a mixing bowl. I have also preheated an oven at 160 degrees and mix the egg whites. Mix until we have stiff peaks. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of allulose sugar, which I can find on Amazon. I'm going to add this so I can get that golden color. And mix again. This is the desired consistency that we need. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of unflavored whey protein isolate, which again I can find on Amazon UK. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of baking powder to help the bread to rise. Using a spatula, I'm slowly going to fold in the whey protein isolate and the baking powder into the egg whites. Then I'm going to fold in 1 cup of almond flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the egg white mixture. Our cloud bread mixture is now ready. I'm going to use an oven tray. On it there's a reusable parchment baking paper. I'm going to spoon the mixture onto the oven tray and shape into your desired shape. After shaping, of course, you can decorate your bread however you wish. I am going to use some black and white sesame seeds. After decorating, place the cloud bread into the oven for around 20 minutes. Our cloud bread is now ready. It has that lovely golden color and fluffy texture due to the whey protein we added. It's easy to cut through and has that lovely, nice crust on the outside. It has that golden color, by the way, because of the allulose sugar. This is one of my favorite breads to make. It has lots of great uses. I hope you try it out. Any questions, please leave them below and I will be definitely happy to help. And until next time.